Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Aussie US dollar as we are looking at the price pushing back to the 0.7 level. Now if we look at this weekly time frame, 0.7 on Aussie US dollar is a pretty big level. It's been used in the past multiple times for both support and resistance, and most recently price came and retested it before we saw a short rally before that trend continuing, which we talked about a few weeks ago. Now it looks like price is heading back down to that area as well, and it looks like we could probably extend beyond it as well. So price is looking likely that we're going to extend past this 0.7 level and maybe head even a little bit lower as the dollar continues to gain strength. And it's looking likely that the dollar is going to continue much higher at the moment as the dollar index breaks above $97 for the first time in a while. So it's looking quite bullish, the outlook for the dollar, which could push the Aussie US dollar price down. Ultimately as well, the Federal Reserve have talked about hiking rates when stimulus ends. That's likely to happen in March, and typically before a central bank hikes rates, we actually usually see the stock markets fall first, which could put pressure on the likes of the risk currencies like the Australian dollar. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, if we're expecting price to drive lower, then we should expect the trend to move lower here. Now, what I particularly like to look for when trading the higher time frame is looking first of all, what is the weekly setup, what is the weekly trend, and then from that, looking at the 4-hour trend and identifying key areas of support and resistance. Now, if I just look at these areas here, we can see that when price started to make its move to the downside, we actually saw price start to make a lower low in here. Now, once price makes that lower low, what I want to do is highlight the area where price turned, okay, and I want to look for price to come back into that area for selling opportunities. And you can see here price came up, retested, we had a really nice rejection candlestick here, price then breaks to the downside, and again price makes a new lower low in here. Again, where did that pressure come from? What I like to look at in particular is the last bullish candlestick before a breakout of a low, and you can see here price came up, retested this structure a couple of times, broke to the downside. Okay, so can we look for the same thing again? Absolutely. So we've broken through this low here. Okay, now the last bullish candlestick after that breakout is all the way back in this area here. So first of all, that's the first area of interest, but we can also highlight the next level as well, because price made a short pullback here before a move down. So this is also going to be an area of interest in here for us. Okay, so around about this 0.70 60 area or 62 all the way up to 0.7093. If price comes back up into this level, okay, and we start to see similar patterns as we did here and here, then we want to look for those shorting opportunities down to 0.7. Once price gets to 0.7, we want to look at exiting those positions, because this is a huge level. We don't know how price is going to react to this level. If buyers step in, we could see price travel back higher. If buyers do not and sellers continue to push price lower, then obviously we could still see a continuation to the downside, which at the moment, due to the strength of the dollar, could be highly likely. So keep an eye on Aussie US dollar. I think we could be seeing price head towards 0.7. Could be some shorting opportunities on some pullbacks. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading updates, and I'll speak to you soon.